Power BI is a powerful data visualization and business intelligence tool developed by Microsoft. It allows users to connect, analyze, and visualize data from multiple sources like Excel, SQL databases, cloud services, and online applications. With its drag-and-drop interface, even beginners can build reports without deep technical knowledge. Power BI provides real-time dashboards that help organizations make better and faster decisions. A dashboard in Power BI is a single-page canvas that gives a consolidated view of data insights. Dashboards are created by pinning visuals, charts, KPIs, maps, etc., from different reports. They provide a high-level overview of business performance and allow interactive exploration with filters and slicers. For example, a sales dashboard can display total revenue, region-wise performance, top products, and customer trends. Users can drill down into details or monitor live data updates. Power BI dashboards are also mobile-friendly and can be shared with teams through the Power BI service. Key features include AI-powered insights, natural language queries, and integration with Microsoft tools like Teams and Excel. Overall, Power BI dashboards transform raw data into actionable insights, making them essential for decision-making in modern businesses.